Lawula indalo ngezinyanda ezulu luyayitholela indlela loluthando kuyazenzakalela sangena madoda sangena singasaqali awuthi khona into engifuna ukuyiconfigureisha la right tisibone ngibona ya elalini indlela bathi kuyazenzakalela okay right okay man count all right that's fun. Lento engiyifunayo bekumele ukuthi ngiqale ngiyi-check before ngize la njengamanje sengi-check-a into vele sengila angiboni ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuyithola ngokushesha bengifuna ukwenza something kuthiwani la draw line ungeke akufunda kwi-testing ground kufundwa eceleni ngoba manje sekufana nokuthi ngifunda kwi-testing ground and angeke kuze kuhambe kahle mangifuna kwi-testing ground kuzovele kube messed up. Okay, ngalesi sikhathi kube ngelelo changes akhasha ukuthi kungenza noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazile uyabona. Ya sengivele ngangena ngalesi sikhathi ke mhlawumbe abanye bebazi ukuthi ngizongena 7 avela ngisenaso isikhathi siqondile but ke into emnandi ukuthi ke uYouTube sukukhona for things like that. If nje ukuthi usubscribe ku-YouTube account lapha kwi-channel ka-Changes Akasha surely waphinde wa-click notification surely kusuke kuzokwenzeka ukuthi ulokhu nje unotify ukuthi Changes Akasha ulive yabo so kuzonotifyeka yake weli ke. Having said that isihloko sanamhlanje sithi ke the power of automation. Today's topic we are here to talk about the power of automation. What are automations? Automations is when things are happening on autopilot or automatically. Things are happening on autopilot or are happening automatically. Automation. You don't need to exert force or do them manually every time, but they happen automatically. So automation require wena ukuthi uyiprogramme ukuze yenzeke. Automation uyenza kanye bese iyaziqhubekela yona. Awuyenzi njalo automation. So uma ngabe ukuthi sikhuluma ngemoto kuyazi imoto inama automations amaningi akuyona. Iyazi nje ukuthi i-thermostat okay manje amanzi maseshisa kakhulu asuka lapha ya mele kuvule kuphume abandayo yabo regulate mele ifan ishaye mangabe amanzi aseshisa kakhulu ifan mele ishaye. Automation lo asuzwe imoto isithi isishaya ifan ngobani i-automate ukuthi uma sekwenzeke lokhu yenza lokhu. Automation leyo njalo ma-triggerishika lokhu wena yenza lokhu. Lapha kwi-programming bathi leyo nto leyo i-workflow. Yezo ngisakutshela nje ngezinto ezisimple ezipractical ezenzeke emhlabeni nje entweni oyisebenzisa daily. Yezo entweni nje oyisebenzisa daily nje kuyazi ukuthi uma sekwenzeke kanje akwenzeke kanje mase kwenzeke kanje akwenzeke kanje. Yes, umdali sengiyabuya ke manje ngiza kumdali. Ayikho into ekhona la emhlabeni engakotshelwanga kwi-nature nomdali, indlela yena enza ngayo izinto ngoba siwuyena thina. So we copied everything from nature. We copied everything from nature. So akekho umuntu owa-automate njengomdali. Umdali odale konke wenza ama-automations, wenza sure ukuthi I will not have to come to the physical world bese ngiphinda mina ngenza umuntu futhi ngiphinde ngimilisa isihlahla. I will not have to come here and do those things again. I will have to automate so that these things, they happen automatically. God will never come and do things again. No, ukhona nje wena. We are part of the automate. In fact, you are an AI of God. You are the one who is perpetuating God's creation. God, because God wants to, the universe is expanding through you. Akekho umuntu wa-automate njengo-God. Ngoba wayazi kahle ukuthi I don't need to do this again. I do this thing once and it goes on forever. So why wena muntu ufune njalo ukuthi empilweni yakho hlezi kukhona i-struggle? Why wena muntu ufuna ukuthi empilweni yakho kuhlezi kukhona i-struggle? Thank you for the gift, Nina Exclusive Creation. Why? Thank you so much, Michael. Yabona? Why ufuna ukuthi hlezi kukhona i-struggle? Why you don't automate? I'm going to teach you and I'm going to share with you the powers of automation in your life. Learn to automate each and everything. You know what the benefit of automate yiphi? Uba busy nokufocusa kwezinye izinto. You expand on other avenues while what you were manually doing is busy taking care of itself, and you are busy. By the time you are automating things, your mind releases energy from what you were doing manually, and you take it. Now that thing will take care of itself, and when now you are focusing on something else. We are focusing on something else. Look, abantu bayahola bayasebenza abantu, kodwa njalo mehola kuba ngazuthi uyaqala ukuhola. Indlela nje azokwenza ngayo ngathi uyaqala ukuhola every month kodwa uyahola ngoba automate. Ayikho nje ay-automatile around salary yakhe. Yonke into hleze kumele ayenze manually. Yonke into kumele ayenze manually. Bayangaza develop i-automation ngisho ema-bank uyazi ukuthi uhleze ukhokhela ukuthi kodwa aka-automatile ukuthi kuzibambele kona automatically. Aka-automatile ukuthi njalo lokhu akwenze kuzihambele kona. Yonke into ay-automate akakwenzi lokho. Akayidevelopile ngisho indleko zakhe ziyafana, month to month ziyafana, kodwa njalo uzoba ne-stress. Akadevelop ngani i-spreadsheet se-Excel la azothi put khona zonke izinto azifake izicalculate leyo Excel egcineni. I-automation leyo around imali yakho. Akune ama-automations akhona kuyona yonke into ekhona la empilweni. Ama-automations akhona. You need to automate. Even indlela yabona ekseni kunokusa, ekseni uyavuka uze uyolala ntambama. Yabo within that period you need to automate that period. If you are a serious person, you need to automate that period. Ungabe freestyle nje. Yazi ngisho emsebenzini umuntu uzothola ukuthi usena 10 years 15 20 years yasebenza kodwa ungathi uyaqala njalo ungathi uyaqala ukusebenza. Thank you Mpembe, thank you Mkabateli. Ngathi uyaqala njalo ngathi uyaqala ukusebenza every day ufika emsebenzini ngathi uyaqala ngoba ayikho into automateile ukuthi wenzani izinto zenza kanjani. Ngiqala la lokho bekusala izolo ngilisha kona lokho bekusala izolo ngithi ku-to-do list yami ay njalo nje khona okunyaza kukhohlwa ngoba aka-automate okunye uza kukhohlwa ukuthi akakwenzile. Yazi khona umuntu ozadla angisho imali yefoni mhlawumbe une-contract ngobani usekhohliwe ukuthi mehola kumele enzeni. Uzibone nemali yonke nje kanti usekhohliwe ukuthi khona into ongayikhokhelile. Adla imali yemoto usekhohliwe uyaxeka ukuthi awunganemali engaka angeke automate nje. Ukhike mfethu kumele ngikuchazele yabo mfethu, it's not about what to do ukuze uphile impilo oyifuna. It's not about what to do, it is about who to be. It's about who to be. It's not about what. Lokho who to be kuncike ekutheni uzo-automate empilweni yakho na. Yabo njalo emsebenzini uma uyasebenza njalo uma ubuya emsebenzini uthi umuntu freestyle nje mebuya emsebenzini freestyle freestyle anashini mebuya yini qala automateile engqondweni yakho ukuthi kwenzekala mangibuya emsebenzini freestyle uzobona ngalelo langa ukuthi ayikho automation. Ukuthi upheka nini uya freestyle la, udla freestyle, uthi unini uya freestyle 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 ubona khona. Yalo ngisho ungamthola nini uzomthola free njalo ngoba akanayo automation. Uzomthola free umfuna nje uzomthola ngani ayikho into ay-automate ukuthi mebuya wenzani. Kodwa at the same time kunempilo afisa ukuyiphila. Thank you Yolanda, thank you. At the same time kunohlobo lempilo afuna ukuphila oluphilwa abantu aba-automate izinto kodwa yena akazi-automate. Eba nomona-ke mangabe bebona to bezinto yabo. Unebhizinisi mfethu, unebhizinisi automate izinto ebhizinisini akungabi uyalo nje. Makula wena alirun lelo business au-automate au-automatile nje ngoba makuwuwe ngecabanga ngoku-automate izinto. Mfethu automation yiyo kumele uopele kuyo kumdali i-automation. Yezwa ungafuni ukuthi kube khona into njalo yenza manually njalo ingabe automatic. Kumele ufunde lokho. Yezwa yabona ngokuthi mina kumele u-automate impilo yakho, kumele impilo yakho izi-face gabini la khona automatically yona emekwashaya isikhathi sokuthi uvele izibone enza ukuthi uyabona mfethu mawukuthi uhlezi udlula esitolo sokuthi uthenga amakhekhe njalo uhlezi udlula esitolo sokuthenga amakhekhe njalo mawudlula lapho umzimba wakho ngoba uyisubconscious yakho uzokhumbuza uzozibona usumkhona usuthenga amakhekhe ngoba u-automatile leyo nto automatile. Kodwa abangafuni u-automate benza bese sifuna. Yebo ngiyabingelela wenkulu mfethu, ngiyabingelela kwemukela ngalesikhathi. Indaba pho abantu bengafuni uku-automate izinto ezizobenza bebe successful na. It's because ingqondo ithatha the least resistance. The least resistance ingqondo isabona kokulula ungadingi effort okungakhona calories engqondweni ikona ezokuthatha. Kodwa lokhu kuwena njalo past 6 uyafunda incwadi hayi lokho angithi kune-resistance lokho, kune-resistance lokho. So wena consciously you have to face the resistance because you know that you are automating ingqondo into ekuthiwa i-development ekuthiwa ama-neural pathways, kunama-neuron, yes, astrengthenisha indlela engahanjwa iyena vele, iyena indlela engahanjwa wayihamba indlela iyantela vele ngoba usujwayele uyahamba uhlezi kuba ne-resistance ukwenza izinto wazi ukuthi izokusiza, kodwa ekugcineni kuza kuba effortlessly. Wena kumele ukuthi uthathe i-effort ngaso sonke isikhathi wenze sure ukuthi ungayivumeli ingqondo yakho ukuthi ithathe the resistance engakusiza lutho. Kulula nje imali uyothenga utakuzima ukuthi imali save. Why kube lula ukuthi wena uyispend imali kodwa kube nzima ukuthi imali wena uyisave? Why? Thatha the low resistance ngoba uyakwazi ngene ukuthi ikona worth it. Lokho okunye create resistance khona, create yabona i-habit ayo yenza usuyomilonto. Create resistance ke yipi resistance yenza kube nzima ukuthi uyelonto. Mhlambe benze kube nzima phatha ucash okalekile ngaso sonke isikhathi, yabo phatha ucash okalekile khona uzorana mawuthi kanye keep app mawukuthi wena unenkinga lapho angithi uqeda lokhu osuku-automate lokhu kudala ucreate resistance kuyona yonke into osuyenzile osuyi-automate engakusizi ngalutho empilweni yakho. Create ama-resistance lapho kube nzima sonke isikhathi ukuyenza leyo nto, yenza kube nzima nje, yabo yenza nje kube nzima nje. Mhlawumbe uma kanjani wena umuntu we-social media uvele ubone usuphakathi nje ku-social media ungazani, create resistance lapho, yenza kube nzima ukungena, faka i-pin uphinde ufake i-code ngaphezulu, yes, khona ingqondo yakho njalo ubuze ngiyada uma ungayitholi phansi phuma, yes. Sawubona wena olwazi mamba ngiyabonga wethokozani uyabonga lapho, ngiyabonga ngokuthi ukhumbuza abantu to tap the screen. Yes, thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. Say thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. Never bafethu, learn to automate. Ingqondo yakho ayazi ukuthi uma kwenze ukuthi mina ngenza ukuthi, kumele ikwazi lokho ingqondo yakho. Yizona likumkani lami ezi-changes wase-Ejude, ya yes singafunda khona impela la kwethu, la ngifunda khona impela kumele yazi ukuthi uma kulesikhathi ngenza kanje uku-automate lokho ukuthi khona automate hlangana ne-change challenge uhleze freezer, uhleze fight mode, kodwa wazi kahle ukuthi njalo yena i-change uyahlangana nayo, uyawazi lokho ukuthi njalo uhleze nama-challenges afanayo, kodwa njalo uma i-challenge kuba ngathi iyakhala lo challenge ukuba khona indaba unga-automate wena udila kanje awe ba present uma ufana ne-challenge ureact kanjani, ibuka iba ikhona la khona uzokuyi-reaction yakho. Thank you so much. Ungabi nje absent ukuthi if you are come stage, how is your nervous system react, how does your nervous react in the challenge, iba off, yes. Ebese uyafunda kunokho, oh this is how I react to challenge, yabona ubese uyayishintsha futhi leyo ndlela leyo ngoba khona abantu ukuthi vele bebe crazy mayihlangana ne-challenge uvela be crazy, kodwa washo ukuthi vele ubezihlanga challenge akaqala namhlanje kodwa vele crazy kuba ngathi it's the end of the world, usarende yonke into other external circumstances are very crazy. Ekubeni still izinto zazobu how do you deal with challenges? This is an automation well. How do you deal with challenges? That so also was good. Oh, a challenge mina. This is how I deal with the challenge. And yalunga bukuthi ilunga kanjani usuke wenze njani uzilunge. How do you do? So that's one central ube ne system overloaded. Agezi mina seningi akangagezi nje. Khona umuntu ongadla nenkinga. Yabo. Khona vele ngasadla, khona umuntu vele ngabegezi sakhe. Khona umuntu vele nje freeze nje abungana kwi-freezing mode ukuthi do nothing. Yabo akilutho. Buke udila nenkinga. Ngoba uma ubona ukuthi udila kanjani nenkinga uzonjalo uma uhlangana nenkinga u-employ the various methods owasebenzisile udila nenkinga leya. Usiyazi ingqondo database if it change ithatha kwi-database. Is how I deal with the challenge. So much change, you know exactly. Ingqondo yakho ine record wena vele mafika challenge you are able to beat it and dale vele nje vele ube high uvele nje you lose your mind every time you come across a challenge. You lose your mind. Learn to automate. Learn to automate. How do I do things? Nansi into engitshela yona enye futhi. Yabo ungabe udeveloper i-app developer. Kuzwa kanje ufika ucabanga ukuthi ufuna i-app yakho isebenze kanjani. Isolve ama problems. Yes. Abantu yokuqala yenza leyo. Bese uyabuza uzobhala lapha ukuthi lento le oyifunayo. This is what you to hand. We draft sketch noma i-structure noma i-print ye-app. Kuyimazo yithatha. Ngithi ukuthi isiqala 4th dimension. Size kwi-second dimension bese size third dimension. Izihamba kanjalo. Izinto aziqala kwi-third dimension bese zihamba no. Izinto ziqala kwi-4th dimension. Yes. Because it is a result of 4th dimension. Shuthi i-third dimension or dimension of the physical world yakho is a reflection of what is happening on the 4th dimension. Where other stuff ey'fana nokucabanga imicabango, time and other stuff that are abstract. Yes, that is where they stay. So when that dimension yakho indlela eyona the kind of you are experiencing is a reflection of what is dimension. So dimension ke uma njengoba ngiyona i-app ufika ucabanga ukuthi ufuna isolve problem bese ubhala phansi ubhale ama-blueprints sebla kanje bese uyadevelop lo app. So nawe ube nento emqondweni ukuthi yini oyifunayo. Uyazi abantu de bayazi nabangayifuni kodwa bazi ukuthi thina abafunayo. People know exactly what they need. They don't know what they want. So first thing you have to know what you want. Yes, you have to know what. Once you know what, then you have to develop the systems that will lead to what you want. That are going to be repeatable. It is going to be repeatable. What you need to do, and then you know that consistently. Njengoba special practices lana ku YouTube ngalo ngumsombululo lesini i-automation so kuzofika esigabeni la khona ingqondo wena umuntu wenza special practices ku YouTube changes zakhe la khona yakho ezokwazi ukuthi njalo ngo7 manje iyazazela uzoba wena ube conscious ukuthi uyenze lento ukukhumbula uqala wenze conscious lokho ikona 1% we-conscious mind ovula 90% subconscious mind bese umqondo kusenza njalo in unison 100% subconscious and conscious nina nobabili manihlangene yothi intaba deliver sintaba deliver so umuhla conscious mind wakho subconscious mind wakho usebenza kanje you become powerful and unstoppable uyabona nje lawa awenza ukuthi kusplit ama-planets amandla enza ilanga khanye lamandla enza ukuthi kube khona ama-movement the very same power that you are yabo so limitless lo unfinished potential so when you are limiting at 10% is your consciousness is your own limitation. Ngiyabona ukuthi network angisubtouch hayi ukuthi angiboni ngiyabona ukuthi network yangisaphela it's fine it's cool abakhona abangizwa ngacanga lensizwe ethi onoswayo ngiyabona ukuthi yangikhuthaza manje ukuthi sabotage ngizodila nayo mina ngizomela khona i-fiber ngeza abantu i-fiber so moswazi ukuthi ufani uzodevelop ama-habits azidela lapho udevelop ama-systems azidela lapho yabona uba spiritually aligned lento mina ngiyenzayo njalo ngimsombululo nangolesini helping people it's part of their spirit alignment you cannot succeed in any if you are spiritually disintegrated you cannot uyohlezi ubana uyohlezi umva izinye we are not your signal is hlisizing yes we are in state of control we are not in unison we are not systematic spiritually what you do every day you eat food you know that we are eating in the morning eating we are eating during the day and eating at night you have a system eating but we don't know the system so that's why I took my time and try to say okay people please come on Wednesday at least to but your chakra so when your chakra are conscious, those are conscious energy points in your body those are conscious those are mind they only have own mind on their own whenever do you know so I automate everything to everything is automatic automatic free when system not system product you go down the product down my just system data people are but data system will ma don't only product you know my own system yan have to pass making ukuthi avule ngazi. Thank you for that. Giving you system again noma if you what you need, so if you know what you study, if you need to save, ile ukuthi izinto zinokuthanda kwakho ubona kuthanda ilandela isystem umethi izinto musu namhlanje usemudini ke uyasave ngoba namhlanje usemudini ke uyogijima ngoba namhlanje wenza izinto ngosemudini cha i-access unika in system izinto system angazi izinto ngokuba kuyimudi lapho uya automate ungeke ukuthi mhlawumbe ungazizwa ufuna lento kodwa ubaza ibalekile take your zandla so much ungaveli nomusa ngelinye ila izinto of excitement and you ask yourself, wow, why did I do that? I don't know. It was not even part of the end because you lost system. You don't automate anything. Namhlanje ujimi awu ujimi mini ngiyala ujima yabo akuthi into okwenza ujima 30 minutes ukuthi unento ebeyi-imagine wena ukungadi you decide to gym for 30 minutes hayi ukuthi hayi bo kube ne-system uyazi system and you try by all means to stick to that system. Ingqondo fethu iyabuka ingqondo ifana njani iyakubuka indlela zakho iyabuka you wonder ukuthi why I want this but this is not happening, this is what's happening, you know. Iyabuka nje ingqondo iyazi wena ngeke uzwe into ozenza wena know you iyabuka proof yokuthi ubone umuntu ingqondo proof lokho and wena ukudevelop a new evidence for your mind ngendlela ozokwenza ngayo izinto develop the new evidence for your mind. Develop the new evidence ubone ingqondo yakho how ukwazi ukuhlala nemali kuze kuphele inyanga iyabuka njalo uyakwazi awena ukwazi ukujima isonto elize liphele cha kusho ukuthi uyona ngaphela ibone evidence thank zandla ibone evidence and then lo evidence iyahlala mfethu iyahlala lo evidence lonto so that's so ukuthi ke I'm making glitches here and there and yeah it was this one was a lesson some sort of lesson yabo lesson to automate things systematic ngendlela owenza ngayo easy ungabi style own life here i-message yami namhlanje system automate ustick with system ingqondo yakhe izodela ama pathways igcinisi automatic lona hlobo lomoya lolo yona uzo experience lo leyo ama systems akube lobo lomuntu oluthile and umuntu oluthile ke experience oluthile empilo kunezinto nakuthi people enizenza okungeke abantu labantu enifisa ayibona enifisa ukufana nabo abangama role model kunezingazenzi inhlobo zenziwa yiningi ngendlela yokuthi uhlobo labantu asebelona bona i-habits nama systems abo abakhiphela results enza ukuthi baba ama role model enu nina uma nikwenzayo kunenza ukuthi nibe kuleyo level enisuke yona. So it's not a matter of who to be, what to do, it's a matter of who to be ukuze attracta lezo zinto lezo. And that's announcement iwona la athi Monday Thursdays at 7 p.m. Zakasha bana California na well hello Monday and 7 p.m. we do a spiritual practice on YouTube change the card. You need to be a channel member for that, right? You click join, change the card, click join. Most PM. I'm say balabo. 2 for chart reading, human chart reading. Was apply in alignment with the senior. Click a link le every bio. Person ngiyagreli lakho to what video call awuze game. Sendela ni channel yakho view iyo nazo ezuthulezo engala njengamanje. Ngijalo kuthiwa usukuba siyabonga kakhulu.